Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Indian Investor YouTube channel where you learn stock markets in detail. Friends, in today's video, I am going to do analysis. I will share with you some stocks which are looking strong for the coming month, which is October. Currently it's September and September is going to end soon. So for the next 1 month, these stocks I think can perform well. They are looking good, they are bullish. So you can have a look at them and they can, be a good bet for the coming next month as well as in the coming long term. So let's look at the stocks, let's do the analysis, let's see the prices at which one can enter and why do I like them. So let's start. First stock, and the name of the first stock is Prestige Estates Projects Limited. Now if you look at this company's returns, this stock has given around 400% returns in the last 10 years. It is up around 91% in the last 1 year, 76% year till date, 63% returns in 3 months, 33% in 1 month, 18% in 1 week. So this stock is giving very good returns to the investors who have invested in this stock. Also it has a good dividend yield of 0.33%, and over the last decade the Prestige Group has firmly established itself as one of the leading and most successful developers of real estate in India by imprinting its indelible mark across all asset classes. As of 30 June 2020, the group has completed 247 projects covering 134 million square feet and currently has 45 ongoing projects covering over 53 million square feet, 56 million square feet of upcoming projects, and it holds a land bank of 262 acres with potential developable area of 27 million square feet. Now the market capital of the company as on 30 June 2020 is around INR 84,000 to 21 million, and the group's turnover for the quarter ended June 30, 2020 is 12,963 million. The company has diversified over time into a number of related non-related services, each of them spearheaded by individuals with adroit capacity, and services are as varied as the interior designing done by Moff Design Company and the redefinition of elegance and suave in men's formal dressing by Prestige Fashions Limited. Now they are also the only developers in South India to boast of such a widely diverse portfolio covering the residential, commercial, retail, leisure and hospitality segments, and now with 205 landmark developments across the city. The company has extended its expertise to major cities across South India including Chennai, Hyderabad, Kochi, Mysore, Mangalore and Goa, giving each city an unparalleled experience with landmark malls on the lines of the Forum, large townships, tech parks, hotels, luxury villas and SEZs. The company already has several successful completed and ongoing projects in Chennai to its credit, spanning the commercial and retail segments. The Prestige Cyber Towers, Prestige Polygon and Prestige Palladium are 3 completed commercial developments which have received an overwhelming response. The Forum Vijaya Mall, Chennai's largest mall, was unveiled in 2013, and the Prestige Group launched Chennai's first township project, a 1000 crore development in partnership with the Ratha Group in 2012. They also launched Prestige Silver Springs, the first of its kind luxury villas in the city, in 2013. The company has over 23 years of experience in real estate development and it is one of the leading real estate development companies in South India. It has completed 142 real estate projects of approximately 27 million square feet, and with a growth in net profit of 407%, which the company declared very positive result in the June quarter. And the stock is technically also looking bullish, and with ROCE of 17.5, it has an attractive valuation too, with a 2.5 enterprise value to capital employed. So now let's look at the chart of Prestige. Now this stock, I think it can perform well in the next month, that is October. So that next 30 days or 31 days, I think this stock can perform well. It can give some good returns. So you should do your analysis in it. So current price also looks attractive, but if you're looking for a long term view, I think 450 would be a good price to enter, and this stock is looking good, can perform in the short term in the next few months. I think it can be a good bet, and I think it can achieve targets of 500 and 550 in the next few months. So you can have a look at this stock, keep it in your watch list, and you can do your analysis, and if you like it, of course you can invest in it and try to make some profit. Now let's look at the second stock. Now, this is another very interesting company in which I am bullish on. And if you look at the returns of this stock has given very good returns, because if you look at the last 10-year return, the stock has given more than 4,500% of returns. In the last 2 years, the stock is up 300%, 290% in 1 year, 174% year till date, 57% in 3 months, 39% in 1 month, 10% 1 week. So this stock is also generating positive returns for its investors, and the stock has a dividend yield of 0.97%. Now, if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters have 74% of stake in this company. Mutual funds have a very good stake of 14% in this stock, so that's a good positive sign. And if you talk about this firm, it is among the select vertically integrated textile players in India, from yarn to garments, that has displayed a consistent revenue growth and positive operating margin trajectory with a strong return ratio. It is one of India's largest knitted garment manufacturer with total capacity of 157 million pieces. Consistently over the years, it has maintained 18% plus margins with average ROCE of 20% and DE of ratio of 0.3 into. Shares of the company were split recently on September 24, 2021 ex-date, and pursuant to the board and shareholder approval granted for subdivision of shares in its meeting on July 27 and September 9 respectively. Now, the record date for the same has been fixed as September 27. Subsequently, the shares of the company have been split, with existing face value of Rs 5 has been subdivided into 5 equity shares of 1 face value each. And I continue to like this company as a structural long-term story to play the apparel export space. The firm has 2 major capex projects in the pipeline, worth 750 crore towards garmenting facility, 250 crore, and ethanol facility around 500 crore. Capital deployment towards value accretive projects, targeted ROCE garmenting 30%, ethanol 22%, augurs well for the company for the future. Robust opportunities in the US market give strong visibility for sustained growth in exports, and currently Europe is the key market for garment export, and this firm is engaged in one of the largest vertically integrated apparel manufacturing companies in India. The company produces a wide range of products which are yarn, fabric, garment, sugar, molasses, ethanol, automobile parts and others. It has presence across textile, sugar, power and automobile industry. The company is a vertically integrated producer of textiles, and it produces yarn, fabrics and knitted garments, and it uses 33% of its yarn and 47% of its fabric for captive production. Presently, yarns and fabric accounts for 42% of revenue, followed by garments, sugar and others. And presently the company earns 65% of its revenue from the domestic sales and the rest 35% from the international sales. The company exports to over 60 countries. Its major export destinations are UK, China, Australia and USA. Top 5 export destination contribute 62% of total export. Now the company has a strong customer base with 200 regular domestic clients for yarn and fabric and 60 leading international brands for garments. In 2019, the company started a new brand, Faso, under which it sells innerwear and athleisure garments, and the product categories include brief, trunk, boxer short, vest, gym vest, muscle tee and athleisure. It aims to manufacture 100% of the brand's products in-house, and the company owns a dozen manufacturing facilities, out of which 10 are situated in Tamil Nadu, 1 in Karnataka and 1 in Ethiopia. The company is expected to give a good quarter. Coming quarter can be good, so that's a good sign. It also has high management efficiency with a high ROCE of 21%. It also has strong ability to service debt, as the company has a low debt to EBITDA ratio of 0.93 times. Now this company has declared positive result for the last 4 consecutive quarters. It's technically bullish, and along with generating around 290% returns in the last 1 year, the stock has outperformed the BSE 500 in the last 3 years, 1 year and 3 months. Now the name of this company is KPR Mill Limited. So KPR Mill is the second stock, and now let's look at the chart of this company. If you look at the chart, the stock has been in a good trend. It has been supporting the moving average very nicely, and recently it has also given, looks like, a breakout. So I think this stock can perform well in the next few months. For short term, I think it's a good bet. Also this stock I think can achieve target of 500 and 550 in the next few months. So you can keep this stock in your radar, keep it in your watch list. I think it's a good stock worth having a look at, and it can perform well according to me. So this was the analysis for today. I hope you liked my analysis. See you again soon with another stock analysis video. Till then, goodbye, take care, happy trading, happy investing.